Hey, Jack here, and I've got with me this 2-pack of adjustable bicycle handlebar rear view mirrors for bicycles, scooters, strollers, anything with a traditional handlebar. Now, full disclosure, these were sent to me for free for an honest review. They're adjustable, they're lightweight, and let's go ahead and take these out to the garage, put them on my bicycle, and talk about some of the functions and features. I did go ahead and attach the first mirror. It's pretty simple. You just kind of put it on your handlebar here, and then it ratchets down on the back with the thumb screw. You can see the other one right there. Now, because handlebars are different sizes, that hole there might not be the right size to start. It does come with inserts of 2 different thicknesses there. So you pick the insert that you need, you put it on the inside of the ring here, and then when you tighten it down, it'll grip it down a little bit easier. And this is really adjustable. It adjusts like this, and it's metal and bendy, so you can kind of angle it however, and it rotates too. So all things considered, if you're in the market, I think this 2-pack of bicycle rear view mirrors are a really solid option. I got one set up here. I might just run the one and leave the second one for a different bike, but you have that option. You could put them both on if you want to. Anyway, I hope this video helped your purchase decision. Thanks for watching.